Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and today I will show you that how to change the size of canvas in Adobe Illustrator. So let's suppose I have this 4000 by 4000 pixels artboard and I want to change it to 5000 by 6000 pixel. Go to the Windows menu and hit Artboard button. You will see this icon next to the artboard. Click on it to open the artboard settings. Enter the desired width of the artboard and desired height of the artboard. You can choose the orientation of the artboard and hit OK button, and the changes has been applied to the artboard. Another simple way to change the artboard size is the artboard tool. Hit Shift plus O on the keyboard, and now you can drag the artboard to change the size of the canvas. You have some built-in sizes for your artboards. Let's choose A3, and you can see the artboard size has been changed to A3. So this is how you can change the size of artboard in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.